Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media channel, where we bring you the latest updates, in-depth reviews, and expert insights on everything that moves on two wheels. Today we are diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 2025 model. This motorcycle has managed to retain its timeless retro charm while introducing a host of modern upgrades that promise to enhance both comfort and performance for riders across the board. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 2025 continues to pay homage to the legacy of vintage British motorcycles with its iconic teardrop fuel tank, signature thumping engine sound, and overall nostalgic styling. However, this year's model comes packed with new features that make it stand apart from its predecessors and competitors alike. Starting with its engine, the bike is powered by the same trusted 349cc single-cylinder, air and oil-cooled engine that produces around 20.2 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque. This engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox that ensures smooth power delivery and comfortable cruising, especially for city commutes and light touring. The 2025 model maintains the classic double cradle chassis, which is well balanced and gives a planted ride feel. Handling is precise and confidence-inspiring, especially for newer riders who want a solid yet stylish ride. One of the most noticeable upgrades in the 2025 Classic 350 is the inclusion of LED lighting. The front headlamp and tail lamp now feature LEDs, which not only enhance the bike's road presence but also improve nighttime visibility significantly. This modern touch blends well with the bike's traditional design elements, giving it a perfect fusion of old and new. Suspension duties are handled by 41mm telescopic front forks and twin gas-charged shock absorbers at the rear. This setup offers a plush ride quality, soaking up bumps and rough surfaces with ease. For braking, the Classic 350 comes equipped with a front disc brake of 300mm and a rear disc or drum brake depending on the variant, along with dual-channel ABS for better safety and control under sudden braking conditions. The instrumentation console now includes a semi-digital unit with an analog speedometer and a small LCD for essential readouts such as fuel level, trip meter, and time. Select variants also include the Tripper navigation system, which is powered by Google Maps and connects with your smartphone via Bluetooth. This is a welcome addition for those who prefer a classic design but still want modern functionality. Royal Enfield has introduced the 2025 Classic 350 in a range of new colors and trim levels. These include models with chrome finishes, stealth black themes, and military-inspired paint schemes. This gives riders the freedom to choose a look that matches their personal style. The paint quality, build finish, and attention to detail have all improved significantly compared to earlier models. Seat comfort has also seen improvements with better cushioning and enhanced ergonomics. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and center-set footpegs make long rides less fatiguing. The exhaust note remains deep and thumpy, a signature of the Royal Enfield brand, providing the perfect soundtrack to your ride. Fuel efficiency for the new Classic 350 is estimated to be around 35 to 40 km per liter depending on riding style and conditions. The fuel tank capacity stands at 13 liters, which should offer a decent range for everyday use and short weekend trips. The curb weight of the bike is approximately 195 kilograms, which is manageable and well distributed across the frame. Overall, the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 strikes a fine balance between classic aesthetics and modern practicality. It is designed for riders who appreciate heritage but do not want to compromise on reliability, comfort, or features. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a new enthusiast entering the world of motorcycling, this bike offers a soulful riding experience with just the right amount of refinement and character. Thanks for tuning into Auto Pulse Media, where we bring you detailed reviews, comparisons, and insights from the world of motorcycles and automobiles. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more bike reviews, launch news, and tech breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of auto lovers.